Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities focus on reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Hannah. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to solve a variety of problems using the multiplication principle of accounting. Before we get started on our activity, let's gather our materials. What you will be needing for this simple math lesson will be blank paper or some colored paper, depending on your preference, colored pencils or markers, tape or glue, scissors, and a ruler. Alright, let's first answer our question. What is the multiplication principle of counting? So imagine that you have a bunch of toy cars in rows and columns. So there are 5 rows of cars, and there's 4 cars in each row. So instead of counting each car one by one to find out how many cars there are in total, you can quickly find the total number of cars by multiplying the number of rows by the number of cars in each row. So we have 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 cars on each row. So we would do 5 rows multiplied by 4 cars, which gives us 20 cars. So that's the multiplication principle of counting. It's the fast way to find out how many items you have. You could also draw out a tree map for your multiplication principle of counting. So for example, let's say I go to the ice cream store and I'm giving multiple options. So here's my empty ice cream cone. And they say that you have multiple options for how to make your ice cream. So I could either have blackberry ice cream, blueberry ice cream, or strawberry ice cream. And then after I choose my ice cream, I can either have chocolate sauce or caramel sauce. And I can choose that option of chocolate sauce or caramel sauce for each type of ice cream flavor. After that, they give me the option of purple sprinkles, green sprinkles, or yellow sprinkles. And once again, I have the option of the color of the sprinkles for every single type of sauce that I choose. So I would choose the pathway of the type of ice cream that I want by following one of the paths. So let's say I start on my ice cream cone, I say I want blackberry ice cream with caramel sauce and green sprinkles. So this is the option that I choose. I could also say that I want strawberry ice cream with chocolate sauce and purple sprinkles. So that's the option that I choose. So if we want to know how many options we have, we can just count the final amount of options. So we can count the final number of sprinkles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have 18 options or 18 different ways to prepare my ice cream at the ice cream shop. Before we begin our activity, we have to prepare our die. So what we're going to do is on your colored paper or on your blank paper, you're going to use your markers and your ruler to draw out this shape. This shape is a flat cube. After you draw out this shape using your ruler, you're going to take a marker and make the dashed lines on these specific lines because that's where we're going to be folding. Next, you're going to grab a pair of scissors and you're going to cut out your shape. After you cut out your shape like this, you're going to want to fold on the dotted lines. Perfect. Now that you've folded all on your dotted lines, you're going to take your tape and you're going to start taping the cube together. And there you have it. That's your first cube for our first die. Next, you're going to take a marker and you're going to draw on it the dots for each side of our die. So this is a 6-sided die, so you're going to go through the numbers of 1 to 6. You're going to repeat this step to make a second die as well, so you can have 2. Alright, now it's time for us to start our activity. So what you're going to do with your activity is that you're going to give yourself a 1-minute timer to make as many multiplication problems as you can with your 2 die, and then you're going to count the products at the end to see if they actually match up the multiplication of those 2 numbers using the principle of counting. So make sure that you set up a 1-minute timer, and you're going to repeat this game as many times as you want to see if you can beat your score every single time of correct multiplications. Alrighty, let's get started. Alright, I have 4 and 5. So 4 times 5 is 20. I have 4 and 3. 4 times 3 is 12. I have 5 and 5, and that gives me 25. 30 seconds left. I have 3 and 3, which gives me 9. I have 4 and 5 again. Oop. I have 1 and 3, which just gives me 3. 9 seconds left, and I have 3 times 3 again. I have 5 times 4 again, and I have 5 times 5 again. So let's look at our problems and see if we actually counted correctly. So we have 4 times 5. So let's see if it's actually 20. So we can count on our fingers. We're going to count 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great job, we did it right. Okay, so I'm going to count 4 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Perfect. Now I'm going to count 5 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Perfect. Now I'm going to count 3 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good job. And lastly, I'll count 1 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And that's how you do it. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correct answers. So repeat this the same time with a 30 or 1-minute timer every single time that you want, and then you can see if you beat your score. Thank you for learning with us today. We hope you come back to learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos. I hope that today you had a great understanding of what it means to solve a variety of multiplication problems using the multiplication principle of counting. Thank you for watching this video. Bye-bye!